If you guys want to see a single story home by Lennar, it's called the Evan model. I'll leave the card right above so you guys can go check that out. If you're on the hunt for a new construction home here in Las Vegas, then continue watching because today we're going to be showing homes in Mountain's Edge. Today's property walkthrough is at Desert's Edge community built by Lennar. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is about new build homes and living in Las Vegas, then subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tap the bell so you're going to be the first ones to learn about the current market in Las Vegas. Now let's get started. Community will feature 123 home sites, single-story and two-story homes. They offer 5 floor plans ranging from approximately 2,289 to 3,815 square feet. Let's take a look at this model home. This is the Liberty. This is 3,348 square feet. It is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. It's also a 2-story. Now, as you walk right here, do get a landscaping that's also included with your paved driveways and your walkthroughs. Now, let's take a look at inside the house. Also, just want to let you guys know, we are in the Mountain's Edge area. The HOA fees here is only $60, guys. There's no SIDS and lids. As we walk in, you're gonna have this covered patio, okay? And just letting you guys know, in the exterior side of the house, you're gonna have 3 different elevations to choose from. Now let's take a look at the first floor. So as we walk in, to your immediate left is the staircase to the 2nd floor. Now let's walk towards this hallway and this storage area under the staircase. Lots of storage if you guys have extra belongings that you guys need to keep. On your left after that is your half bath. Then this would be what they consider as the great room. This would be your living space right in front, and then to the right, you'll have this kitchen with a large island. And you guys have the option to put extra bar stools right here to entertain your guests. I love what they did with this. You have a quartz countertop, stainless steel sink, you have the filter system, stainless steel faucet, very nicely done. You can tell that they don't include any of the handlebars, so that's something you guys are gonna have to consider putting yourselves. You're gonna have your dishwasher, a 4-top burner with your oven and your stainless steel microwave. These are all GE brands. Now, you have a lot of counter space to put some decor, or just whenever you guys are cooking, you guys can put a lot of dishes on there if you guys are throwing a party. That's a plus. This backsplash is upgraded, so that's something that you guys are gonna wanna keep in mind if you guys wanna do that to the house. Right here is your pantry. And I'm gonna save this part of the house a little bit later, but I do wanna share with you guys that the reason why we wanted to show you this specific model, because they have what's called a next gen suite, okay? I'm gonna show you guys that later, so stay till the end. Here would be your dining area. And you can tell that this is a massive lot. You can do a lot of things here in your backyard. You can add a pool, you can have a little patio area like that, what they have out there. I mean, look at how massive this is. I'll give you guys a tour of that later on because we do have access from the other side of the house, just not from here. Check out this living room area, guys. This is a pretty spacious area. If you guys like the size, let me know. I think it's pretty spacious, just from the right side to the left side of this room. Now that you guys seen the first floor, you guys ready to go upstairs? All right, continue watching and follow me. So as we walk up to the 2nd floor, you can tell that this is all carpeted area. You're gonna have a large window right here to let some natural light in. And you're gonna have a 2nd window right there as well. We got to the 2nd floor and check this out. you are able to create this area as a loft. Now this loft area is another space that you can use to entertain your guests. And connected to the loft, you have this patio deck. So this deck is towards the front of the house, but pretty nice size. You guys can put some extra chairs down here. So this is actually another neighborhood, another community. Okay, but right here, look at how close you are to the mountain. As we enter back into the house, I'm gonna save the primary bedroom after, but let's take a look at this side of the house. We're gonna be entering to the right, and this would be one of the first bedrooms. This is a pretty large bedroom compared to your standard 11 by 11. You have your closet right here. Pretty nice size window. Then this is your full bath. This is a shared bathroom down the hallway, but you get your double sink right here with the quartz countertop, okay? Very similar to the kitchen with the cabinetry. You get your toilet, and you have a prefabricated shower with a tub, and then you have your stainless steel shower head, and you have some natural light that comes in as well. To the right, in front of us, this is where your storage is. Then you have your second bedroom. Closet. Then check this out, guys. Look how large, this is not even your primary bedroom. This is, I don't even know what they consider this as. This is almost like a second primary bedroom, but it's not. And you do get a walk-in closet right here, which is pretty decent size. Then you get another full bath as well. Single sink, toilet, stand-up shower with a tub. But look at this, guys. Look how large this room is. Okay, are you guys ready to check out the primary bedroom? Because I know you guys have been wanting to see this. Okay, let's walk down this hall to the right, and to the left, this is your laundry room. Washer, dryer, not gonna be included, but you do get the tiles, which is probably, this looks like a 17 by 17 probably. And you have some shelvings right here. That's probably gonna be an upgrade. But look at this primary bedroom. And this is actually another balcony for you. I can't open this because it's locked, but this is a pretty large balcony that overlooks the backyard. Pretty neat. Now let's enter into the primary bathroom. And your primary bathroom to the right is your walk-in closet. Look how large this walk-in closet is, guys. Give you guys a full 360 look so you guys can appreciate the size of this walk-in closet. But this is basically almost like an extra room. It just doesn't have any windows. And as you exit that walk-in closet, to the right is your toilet. Then you have your double vanity sinks for his and hers. And then you have a stand-up shower with a tub separated, but you do have a prefabricated stand-up shower right here with a bench. What do you guys think? Now that we are done with the second floor, I know you guys have been waiting for a while. Let's get back downstairs and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite part of the house, which is the next gen suite. Are you guys ready for this? Let's go check this out. This is gonna be your next gen suite. There should be a door here, but as of right now, they haven't put it. This is where your washer and dryer are gonna be. It's a stacked washer dryer for the next gen suite. And look, guys, check this out. It's a home within a home. All right, you're gonna have your living space area right here. You have a sink, a microwave, your fridge, your cabinets. But check this out. This is your home within a home. You can have this as a private area. You can rent this out to any guest or for your extra family members. This would be the 1 bedroom that would include a 1 full bath. You have a closet right here. So you would have a full bath. This would be your quartz countertop. You have a fiberglass sink with a stainless steel faucet, your toilet, and a stand-up shower. Now, this comes prefabricated, okay? This is that subway tile look. It does come with a bench, which is nice. And then look at this. You have a side entrance to get to your backyard. Now I wanted to give you guys a look of what this looks like. Look how huge this backyard is. You can build yourself something like this, a little, kind of like, almost like a gazebo or hangout area. Here is the exterior shot of the house from the backyard. Guys, do me a favor, if this is the first time to the channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you guys are gonna be the first ones to know about any new community build tours that I do here in Las Vegas. Now let's walk back into the house because it's a little hot out here. What do you guys think so far? Do you like it? Do you not? Leave it in the comments below. I would appreciate your guys' feedback if you guys like these type of new build tours. Now, as we exit this area, to the left of this, we have this separate doorway. This is your side entrance, which would be a private entrance to your garage door as well. But this also transitions into the side gate. The side gate to get to the front of the house. So it looks like the pavers are gonna be included also right here in your walkway. But what do you guys think? Love it? You like it? You don't? Let me know. Did you guys like this floor plan by Lennar? If you guys did, please let me know. I'll leave my contact information below so you guys can give me a call. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you're gonna be the first ones to learn about any new build tours I do in Las Vegas. Now don't forget, my name is Stan Lopez. I'm a realtor here in Las Vegas. If you need me to help show you any builds that you guys see on this channel, give me a call. I'll see you guys on the next one.